Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard theme on this device. So let's start from open the settings. Then we have to move to the additional settings, languages and input. And now we have to enter the current keyboard, choose keyboards and go to the settings. And as you can see, there is the section called themes, so we can change it for the landscapes, light gradient, dark gradient, and also for the colors, and I will go probably for this one. Click on apply. And right now, when you are going to use your keyboard, maybe in the messages, as you can see, the color has changed. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel.